Our next guest is an American Idol alum who is back performing here in Maine. She's joined by our friends Opus Trio and Lincoln Blake of Brian Netto and the Night Show Band. Here is Ciara Lynn Harris to perform Billie Eilish's What Was I Made For?
What I was made for. What was I made for? Taking a drive, how was an ideal? Looks so alive. Turns out I'm not real, just something you pay for. What was I made for? 'Cause I don't know how to feel, but I wanna try. I don't know how to feel, but someday I might. Someday I might. When did it end? All enjoyment. I'm sad again. Don't tell my boyfriend it's not what he's made for. What was I made for? 'Cause I don't know how to feel, but I wanna try. I don't know how to feel, but someday I might. Someday I might. I think I forgot how to be happy. Something I'm not, something I can't be, something I wait for, something I'm made for. Something I'm made for.
Amazing.
Thank you.
Awesome job. Lincoln, thank you. Ciara Lynn Harris, Opus Trio, Lincoln Blake. What was I made for?